What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is LL here, and today we're going to be changing gears a bit and we're going to be talking about Cardano, which we haven't done in a while. More specifically, we're going to be talking about this NFT dApp known as ADA handle. And the reason why I've been delving more into Cardano recently is due to this hard fork which is going to be taking place in June, known as Vassal. And there's a lot of things that are going to be changing in this hard fork. One of them was to basically increase the block size, which would ultimately mean that the fees are going to be lower what they are right now. So Cardano now essentially is going to become more scalable on their layer 1 solution, and this could basically also mean that Cardano's price might go up. So this could be a great buying opportunity. As always, not financial advice. So what exactly is ADA handle? So it is something akin to what we have the name services in other blockchains, which we have discussed on the channel. Just a reminder, Tezos domains, which I covered some time ago, are actually going to be planning to have an airdrop this year. So I'm going to link that video in the corner. Now, ADA handle is basically a handle which can replace the very long address that you have on Cardano. So for example, I own #Liteliger, and now you can send all your money to that address in case you want to obviously send a tip or two. That is always appreciated. NFT tokens, whatever you want to. Now, so this is very cool. So basically you can buy Cardano name handle. It is not a domain, okay? So it's basically a name handle, which is also an NFT. I'm going to show you where you can basically sell it or buy these handles in case you want to like speculate on the prices of things like that. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be clicking mint a handle, and we're going to be put into this queue. So first you have to like put in your email address here and agree to the email notifications. Now, what will happen here is that there's going to be a likely, in the queue, you're going to be getting email into your spam folders if you are using Gmail like I am in this instance. So basically, it will maybe take a minute or two, and obviously there will be a notice in case the Cardano network might be at some type of congestion. That is not usually a great time to basically acquire this. Wait longer. There's always, times at certain, places in the day where you can basically, interact with the Cardano network when it's not its full capacity. But even if we're at 94%, I'm pretty sure that we're able to basically get this done. So after we have waited a minute or two, we can now jump into our Gmail address, and I'm going to be looking into whatever we have received this email to basically purchase out this address. So we're going to be going into the spam section and see, okay, there's nothing there. Okay, we have AdaLink. Now, when it's on spam folder, these buttons are not, by the way, clickable. So make sure in Gmail you're going to be putting it back into the normal inbox, and then you'll be able to get into the access page. And now we move into the access page. We have to set up these agreements here, and then we're going to be entering the minting portal. And now we can basically look into what handles are not taken. And you can put 3 reservations at the same time. I'm going to be looking into in case the vice president name is available. It's not. Let's see, we have Trump, obviously, is always taken. What about 24? Handle already exists. Well, we can just take something like always look into company names they might be interested in. Or maybe there's like a continent, or perhaps a partner. There can be many different things. For this, I'm just gonna be putting something random here. I have just to put a meds on my table, so I'm gonna be reserving this handle. And then you're gonna be clicking resolve handle, and now you're gonna be getting a payment address. Okay, this is way too much. So the more letters or the less letters, the more the name the thing is gonna be having. So let's try something. The lowest one is 10 ADA. So I'm gonna be choosing. Okay, let's talk about my other alias that I like to use. So Liger Woods. And let's try to fetch out. Now, this is 10 ADA. So very long names are going to go for 10 ADA, which is like, this is less than $10 or roughly $10 right now. That is very affordable compared to a lot of other these domains. So it would be handle me at Liger Woods. And then I'm gonna be going into my Euro wallet where I'm gonna be sending this transaction from, selecting the asset ADA, receiver, there, amount 10 ADA, and it's gonna be calculating the fee. After that is done, we can click the next button. Obviously there's gonna be a different interface, whatever using Nami wallet or any other wallet out there. After the calculation, click next, and then you're gonna be putting a spending password and sending. And this might take like a bit of time, and then a couple of minutes later it should basically show you that the payment has been successful, and now you basically have your unique URL. And then you can click it basically, and this now works as, you know, the now you can see the handle here, and there below you're going to be seeing the actual Cardano address. Now then we can go into see NFT, and this is an NFT marketplace, and there you can basically sell or buy these NFTs that you have received. And here we have the Liger Woods, and we can basically set it to sale if we want to sell this domain. Now you can also find them by going into the marketplace and sort by, I think there's a search button here somewhere. I think that you can search ADA handle. There you go. You can search like that. So here you can see a bunch of different, I don't know what is the actual amount of you know, volume that these go for. And I think there's like a couple of other, you know, Cardano NFT marketplaces where you can also sell these addresses at. But that's pretty much my rundown of this video. As a reminder, if you want to send some tips, you know, you can send them at hashtag LigerWoods. And also, who knows, they might be doing an airdrop or governance token in the future. So it might be worth to basically hold on to one of these. Also, there is no monthly cost, yearly cost into these NFTs. So basically it's a one-time purchase and you are owning it forever. And basically it also works on multitude of different services, which are laid out actually on the main website, which I forgot to show in the beginning, like Sunday Swap, Nami wallet, Jero wallet we have also here, and this is the wallet that I was also have here, which is called the Eternal, and I don't know what this is. Okay, this is some finance website, but it's on many places. But thanks for watching. I will be seeing you guys on the next video. Cheers.